प्यार को
प्यार को
ठोकर
ठोकर
मत
मत
लगाना
लगाना
कि चला जाऊंगा फिर मैं न जाने कहाँ। सोना रे सोना रे सोना। You are a Sona. Everybody is Sona. Everybody is gold. Everybody is an alchemist. Everybody has the power to turn iron into gold. But that's not the real metallurgy. It's not like you take a piece of iron and you do some woo woo and it turns into, with the emerald tablet, it turns into woo oozing gold. Maybe some people can do that magical stuff. In reality, it's turning your mind into, Chaitanta. It is you becoming gold, you earning, the wings in the heavens, in the skies. Because nobody is born perfect. कोई भी perfect पैदा नहीं होता. You have to reach perfection like Christ did, like Guru Nanak Dev Ji did, like a lot of yogis do, like Paramahansa Yogananda Ji did, like Krishna did, like Rama did. They all had a master, and while living, they earned, that they could, you know, cross those human limitations. They could remove the bad part and become, better humans, even better than angels, even better than devtas. Even devtas were jealous of their, and would come and visit them for their darshan. I don't know what you call it in English, for their audience, or to seek their blessings, or to confer accolades. क्योंकि एक मूवी में शाहरुख खान का एक डायलॉग था ना, ही सेड कोई भी देश परफेक्ट नहीं होता, उसको परफेक्ट बनाना पड़ता है. यस, दैट्स ट्रू. एंड यही सेम चीज़ एप्लीकेबल होती है ह्यूमंस पे. कोई भी मानव परफेक्ट नहीं होता, उसको परफेक्ट बनाना पड़ता है. और वो परफेक्ट कैसे बनेगा? बाय बीइंग अ बेटर पर्सन, बाय डूइंग बेटर, बाय लिविंग बेटर, बाय क्रिएटिंग बेटर चॉइसेस फॉर हिमसेल्फ. By being a spiritual person, by taking care of the other aspects, lust, anger, attachment, so much. Because लाइफ में पेन आता रहता है, और बहुत ज़्यादा आता है. कभी कभी सबकी लाइफ एक जैसी नहीं है. एवरीबडी इज़ नॉट रिटन द सेम वे. सम पीपल हैव हार्डर एंड मोर challenging lives, more suffering. So how will you get past it? By remaining steadfast in who you are with the divine. Nobody will support you from the outer, only your inner will support you. भगवान अंदर से आपका साथ देगा, बाहर से कोई